Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram saved audio problem. So if you wanna fix this problem, just keep watching until the end. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi and disable the Wi-Fi, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Go back, open the apps manager on your phone, open the apps like this, go to the Instagram app right here. Now this is the app information settings. On this page you will find all the settings about your Instagram app. So first thing you want to do is click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and after you make sure, go back, click on the data usage, make sure also that all the data or network access are enabled. Go back again, click on storage, click on this option and this option too. Now last thing you want to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the end.